Dear students, now that we know the four fundamental operations in mathematics, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, now we shall solve some problems which involve all these operations. Okay, so before taking actual problems, we should know that there is always an order to perform a task. That is, before we start writing, we sharpen our pencils, isn't it? Before we start reading, we open our books. After getting up in the morning, we go to the toilet, brush our teeth, take bath and eat our breakfast. Can you change the order of operations and get the same results in the above statements? No, right? So similarly in mathematics, when all the fundamental operations are given in a sum, the order of operations is as follows. First we perform division, then multiplication, and lastly addition and subtraction. In short, it is represented as DMAS, okay, DMAS. Let us understand this by an example, okay. Simplify. When we perform the four fundamental operations in the proper order, it is called simplification. 9817 minus 12328 divided by 46 plus 4013. Here I have written the order of operations DMAS. D denotes division, M denotes multiplication, A stands for addition, S for subtraction. So here in this question we will first take up division. That means we will take up 12,328 divided by 46. This will be our first operations. So here 12,328 divided by 46 will be our first operation. So when we divide 12,328 by 46, the quotient obtained is 268. I have put a tick on D because we have performed the first operation. So here we will replace this part by the quotient obtained. Okay, in this question we have replaced this part by the quotient which is obtained by the division. Okay, we write the other numbers in the same order except for the quotient here. Okay, so now it becomes 9817 minus the quotient 268 plus 4013. Okay, now what is the next operation? Multiplication. Do we have a multiplication here? No, so just strike it off. What is the next order of operation? Addition, right? So here we have to add the positive numbers. Children, here do not get confused that you have to add 268 to 4013. No. What are the positive numbers? Numbers with a plus sign or no sign. Okay, so we add 9817 to 4013. 13,830 is the sum obtained by adding these two positive numbers. Okay, so we have performed addition as well, so we put a tick here. Now which operation is left? Subtraction. Here we subtract the sum of these two numbers. Okay, that is 268 will be subtracted from 13,830. So the difference obtained is 13,562. So this is how you simplify a question which has the four fundamental operations. Please follow this order while simplifying questions like this. Thank you. Children, in order to do further practice, I have taken a question from exercise 6.7. Question number 8. 212 plus 728 multiplied by 32 divided by 16 minus 119. Here what I have done, children, I have written DMAS in the side to remember the order of operations. So the first operation is division. So we find the part where we have the division. In this question, the division part is here, 32 divided by 16. Okay, Children, it is always advisable to draw a line here on the right side of your page to show the calculations here for the rough column. Please show all the calculations of simplification here so that it is easier for you to place the answers in the question. Please show the rough work here for every question. So when we divide 32 by 16, we get 2 as the quotient. Okay. So in the next line, we write all the other numbers as it is, but replace this division part by the quotient which is obtained. We have performed division, so we put a tick here. The next order of operation is multiplication. So we now find the multiplication part of the question, which is 728 multiplied by 2. So here I have shown my calculation. When I multiply 728 by 2, the product obtained is 1456. So now I replace this multiplication part by the product obtained and I put a tick on multiplication. Now the next order of operation is addition. So we find the addition part, that is the numbers with positive sign or no sign. So we add 212 to 1456. Here also I have shown the rough work of addition here. The answer obtained is 1668. So I have replaced this addition part by the sum which is obtained and I put a tick that I have performed addition here. The last operation is subtraction. Now I subtract 119 from the sum obtained of these two numbers. 1668 minus 119. Here also I have shown the subtraction in the rough column. The difference obtained is 1549. So this is the answer when we simplify this operation by following the order of DMAS. Children, please follow this order and show the rough work here. Practice question number 6 and 7 as your homework. Thank you.